Ever wonder what you're really putting on your skin? Most skincare products are filled with chemical cocktails you can't even pronounce. Let's break free from the chemical chains. I've tried so many skincare products over the years, but most of them are filled with harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Ingredients that can really mess with your skin's natural balance. Then I discovered the Tallow and Honey Balm from Really Good Blends, and it's been such a relief. It's made with only natural ingredients like manuka honey, grass-fed tallow, beeswax, and olive oil infused with lavender. This balm feels like it was made to work with my skin, not against it. The collagen boosting properties have been amazing for anti-aging, and it's helped me so much with my eczema and redness. It also helps me fight chapped lips. My lips have never felt more soft and soothed. Finally, I found a natural, effective solution that truly cares for my skin. Why keep supporting Big Pharma when you can protect your body's largest organ, your skin, with 100% natural ingredients that just work? The Tallow and Honey Balm by Really Good Blends offers the purity your skin deserves.